The next part of content writing basics is regarding why would you ever want to be a content writer? If you are considering a career in writing, content writing has a lot going for it. Many traditional forms of media, like newspapers and magazines, are struggling. Breaking into those traditional media markets now is more challenging than ever, and making a living in them is fraught with uncertainty. Meanwhile, writing online content for a website is a booming market. Companies are striving to differentiate their websites and connect with readers and potential customers. Let's see one by one. The first is one way to do this is through effective content writing. There is a market for content writers, literally. Sites like Upwork, www.upwork.net, serve as actual markets that connect freelance content writers to customers who need content but for a small fee. Websites like Google's Blogger and WordPress, and even internet giants like Amazon and YouTube, make it easier than ever to self-publish. If you know what you are doing, you can monetize your online content and put it to work for you. So, demand for content writing coupled with the multiple means of entry makes this a great time to become a content writer. Let's see the second point. Other benefits of content writing include flexibility. You can often work from your home or on the road. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection to research, write, and even publish your content. The third point is opportunities. If you are entrepreneurial, you can pursue multiple content writing ventures simultaneously. You can ghost-write articles for multiple clients you contract with on a site like Upwork.net, while self-publishing on your own blog and YouTube channel while you are trying to monetize content by building a following and earning ad revenue. It's just a great time to be a content writer. That's why you've got to be a content writer.